Hello everyone. Today video topic is continuity of a function. That what condition are required to continuous function or discontinuous function. First thing you have to understand for continuity is limit. In previous video lecture already have learned about limit, left hand limit and right hand limit. Definition of continuity based on three conditions according to textbook. A function is continuous when function is defined on some point C. Second, limit of function x approaches to C exists. Third, limit of function x approaches to C is equal to the value of function at point C. But we can easily understand the concept of continuity in simple word when left hand limit, right hand limit and the value of function at point C all are equal, the function is said to be continuous. Let's understand the concept of continuity with the help of example. We have function f of x is equal to 3x plus 2 which is defined on some point x is equal to 1. First you have to use x is equal to 1 in a function. You have the value of a function at point 1 which is equal to 5. Now check left hand limit. In left hand limit we are using in term of x is equal to 1 minus h. Now function become limit h tends to 0, 3 in term of x we are using 1 minus h plus 2, then we have 3 minus 3h plus 2. Then apply limit h is equal to 0, left hand limit which is equal to 5. Similarly check right hand limit. In term of x use 1 plus h and function become limit h tends to 0, 3, 1 plus h plus 2. Then multiply with bracket 3 plus 3h plus 2. Apply limit h is equal to 0, then right hand limit you have 5. Hence left hand limit, right hand limit and function at point 1 which all are equal to 5. Then function is said to be continuous at x is equal to 1. Geometrically, all conditions meet in one point or same point is said to be a continuous function. There are also some condition of discontinuity. A function is said to be a discontinuous at some point when limit of function at some point does not exist. It means that value of function at point C is not defined. It means that function is said to be a discontinuous function. Second condition of discontinuity is when left hand limit is not equal to a right hand limit. Means that the value of left hand limit and right hand limit, both limit values are different to one another. This is also a discontinuity of a function. In third condition of discontinuity, the value of function at some point is different from the left hand limit and right hand limit, while the left hand and right hand limit both are equal to each other. Graphically, third condition of discontinuity defined as left hand and right hand limit meet at one point while the value of function at point C is different from the limits. Let's check function is continuous or discontinuous with the help of example. We have function f of x which is equal to 1 minus cos 4x upon x square. The condition is that x not equal to 0. In second condition when x is equal to 0 the value of function is 4. First condition of continuity, the value of function f of 0 is equal to 4 already given. Only you have to check that the value of function is equal to a limit or not. To check left hand limit, in term of x we will use 0 minus h, then we have limit h tends to 0, f0 minus h which is equal to f minus h. Now use left hand limit in term of x in a function, then function become limit h tends to 0, 1 minus cos 4 minus h upon minus h square. See, cos minus theta which is equal to cos theta. Then function become limit h tends to 0 1 minus cos 4h upon h square. In denominator there is even power, then negative will be changed into positive. There is a h square. Now according to formula 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. Then function become limit h tends to 0 2 sin square 2h upon h square. The half of 4h is 2h. Now to apply limit, first you have to balance term denominator to make 2h, multiplying and dividing by 4 to balance our term. 4 is in divide form, it will change into multiplication form, then it become 2 multiplied by 4, limit h tends to 0 sin 2h upon 2h whole square. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. According to formula balance term which is equal to 1, then our answer of left hand limit is 8. Therefore, the value of function f of 0 is not equal to a left hand limit. It means that function is discontinuous at point x is equal to 0.